Hello! So, time displacement. How does it work? I have this animation just moving from left to right. So let's add new effects into new adjustment, and let's call this time displacement. And we add the effect here, time displacement. We can just set different effect and preset. You can just put it here. And we need a source. So let's create a source first. New solid, okay, and we add a simple gradient ramp. We call this a gradient map. Okay, in this time displacement we just change it to gradient map and make sure it's effect and mask. Let's go back to the first frame. In the first frame, none of this is visible in our frame yet. So what this does, if you notice, this one is from black to white, and the middle area is the one that is present time, while the white area gets forwarded in time and the black area gets delayed in time. So when we reach the end of the keyframe, you can see the middle part perfectly aligns with the present time, while the black part is still lagging behind. So that's essentially how it works. It's the same as the displacement effects in After Effects. So what we can do with this is, with the same effect, we can create a delay using noise, and with that we can create a new transition animation using that delay. Let me show you an example. Let me hide this first. Let's delete this key. One effect that I use is card dance. Yeah, what it does is it splits everything into sections. You can't see it now, but let me reduce its size. Let's see. Yeah, it's X scale and Y scale. We can reduce it, let's say, to 0.5. 0.5. It changes it into cards. Let me make this the same size as our comb so it looks nicer. So let me animate this first. So now I have this animation, each card rotating towards the camera, and then it's scaling up as it goes. Now all I need to do is create a map that is matching this boxy shape so that I can offset them exactly as their animation is. So to create that, as usual, I use fractal noise. So let me check this. And we can use some mosaic. What it does is it creates something like this, and we can just make it the same as the card dance effect. Usually the horizontal block is around 37 and this is 54. It should be perfectly aligned to boxes of the card dance, and with that we can offset it freely. So the time displacement is still connected. We can just show this. It will take a while to load. For this tutorial, we can just reduce its is the quality. We can just reduce it to make it faster. So you see, everything is offsetted. Yeah, this is before without the time displacement, and this is with. See, everything is offsetted, including the early frame, since we used from black to white. To fix that, you can just add these curves, reduce the white into gray. Everything is perfectly offsetted. Let's check the final result. You can also change its displacement time, or you can adjust this animation timing to make it shorter, and you can adjust its noise into another noise to make a different pattern. A lot you can play with. And that's it. Thank you for watching.